Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 14, 2 weeks in of the carnivore diet. I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan, and we're going to track my progress. Today's day 14, 2 weeks in, and I feel like shit. I really do. I woke up full on body pain. I have this deep aching feeling in my lower abdomen, kind of like menstrual cramps. I haven't had my period in 6 years or so. I hit menopause early with no adverse effects, just I haven't had my period in so long, and now I feel like I'm gonna have it, which is really strange. It's that like deep aching feeling in your body and lower abdomen. I've had it all day. I'm full on constipated. My joints and my entire body hurt. My eyes are gritty. Like, what the heck is going on? I feel really tired. Yeah, I don't know. So I feel like quitting, to be honest with you, because I think this isn't working for me. And then my wise carnivore friend, Miss Kathy, said, listen, you've only been on it for 2 weeks. Let your body adjust to the detoxification progress. And she's right, I know. Even I said it takes 90 days for your body to acclimatize. So I'm getting impatient. Like, I want to feel better now. I want to lose weight now. I haven't lost any more weight. I'm still at 170. I'm gonna do like a official weigh-in tomorrow, like a weekly weigh-in. So that's tomorrow, but yeah, I don't feel good. So I am going to continue with it. Like, I'm committed to do the 90 days. I'm just telling you how I feel. I don't feel good. I had a breakfast of leftovers. So I had 2 meatballs and I cut them in half and I heated them up in butter. And then I had 2 egg muffins. They had the cheese in them, and I think that could be a problem for me, the cheese. I know I keep saying that and I keep eating cheese, but I have this food, I'm not gonna waste it. So I had 2 egg muffins and 2 meatballs. And then I did this. Hi, I hope you can hear me okay. So I have my vacuum sealer here. I bought this quite a while ago. It's actually really handy to preserve meat and stuff. So going back to day 4, when I bought trout fillets, I had sliced them into sections, and then I put them in the freezer just on parchment paper and froze them like that. But that was 10 days ago, since today is day 14, and I should have done it earlier, but you know, life. So I'm gonna do it today. I have these vacuum sealed bags that I just got off Amazon. I got this off Amazon too. It's pretty easy. So I just put it in like that. And since it's frozen, it's not squishy. It's easier to vacuum seal. So then I just put it here like this, and I make sure that the seam there's no bumps in the seam. And then I just press start. It's gonna be noisy. And it just does it automatically, and so I can put this in the freezer and it's preserved perfectly. No air will get to it at all. So I'm going to do the rest, and then I'm going to freeze the extra tilapia fillets that I have and hopefully do it before 10 days is up. This is the brand of vacuum sealer I have. It's been working for me for a good long time. So I'm very happy with it. It's kind of big. You can do whole pizzas if that's how you roll. Anyway, then I finished the trout fillets, so I got that, and I just used pint bags. So I got those off Amazon too. So you can get bigger bags as well, but these work perfectly for portions like this. And then here's the rest of my tilapia fillets. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer so they get nice and solid. And then hopefully by tomorrow, I'll have these vacuum sealed as well. And after that, I did this. So I'm now walking as I promised myself I would. It's a beautiful sunny summer day in Saskatchewan, and it's good to get out and walk around, even though I seriously felt like I should just go into bed and nap for the rest of the day. Man, I just don't have energy, but I'm walking, so that's a success right there. Before I'm putting the vacuum sealer away, I managed to get the rest of the tilapia packaged up, and I also cooked and packaged up a whole bunch of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. So I feel really productive about that. So now I'm in the process of cleaning out my freezer, my fridge freezer, and I found some chicken broth. So I'm gonna thaw that out, and that's all I'm gonna have for the rest of the day. Today happens to be a Saturday, and it's getting on into early evening. And normally what I'd be doing is considering a walk to the store to buy lightly salted ripple chips with dill pickle dip, and going to try to find a bottle of wine, either a nice crisp Pinot Grigio this time of year or a deep red in the more cooler months. And I'd settle in for the night watching movies by myself because I'm sad, or at least I was sad. I'm still struggling with that because of the way life turned out in the last year especially, but 5 years for sure. So yeah, so I'm trying to change all of that. So now I'm gonna have chicken broth. I'm going to make sure my freezer is all tidy and ready for, you know, the chicken thighs and the trout and all the good stuff that I am going to continue with eating for the next, you know, until the 90 days is over. And hopefully tomorrow I'll feel better. So happy day 14, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.